So we are here for the Sunday, April 2026 minor league baseball scores. So let's go talk about them. So we have Charlotte beats Memphis 13-4. Whoosh 8-2 over Columbus. Syracuse defeats Buffalo 3-2. Gwinnett 5-1 over Nashville. Jacksonville goes to 7-8 with a 2-0 win over Rochester 6-4 Lehigh Valley. Indianapolis 9-5 over Louisville. Durham defeats Scranton 4-3. And then St. Paul falls 11-8. Albuquerque in a high scoring game. They beat El Paso 18-12 times. Albuquerque scored 10 in the 10th. El Paso with 3 in the 3rd. Or 3 in the 10th, excuse me. So 3 in the 3rd, 3 in the 10th. And they win. And then Albuquerque had 6 in the 2nd. And then El Paso had 6 in the 7th. Both the two high scoring innings. Albuquerque had really high scoring 10 runs. Oklahoma City 12-11 over Roanoke. Tacoma falls to Chardon 2-1. Salt Lake 5-2 over Reno. And then Las Vegas and Sacramento was going to play a doubleheader. Las Vegas and Sacramento they're scheduled to play a doubleheader to make up Saturday's game and Sunday's game. And they were going to play Sunday's game first, and then the makeup of Saturday's game second. They always make up double headers. They always try to, but since they played, on, I guess it's up to the team's discretion, I guess, too, whether they want to play double headers or not. Up to teams more. But since Las Vegas Summer are playing a whole bunch, I thought maybe, okay, one series they'll play, say, 7 games. The next series they play, and the series after that they'll play 7. Maybe break it up that way. Nope. They decided to flat out cancel both games of Las Vegas Summer doubleheader and the Omaha Iowa doubleheader. I want to see how many teams. Omaha, Iowa playing in the series. I know, we'll see. I know Las Vegas are playing a whole bunch. Some guys spread all, but maybe since they're playing a whole bunch this season, ton of times this season. And they could be doing that because they're in the same division as each other. So in the leagues, because they like to do the leagues based on, it's kind of based on travel, so they don't travel as far in the leagues, so you play teams that are closer to you, than farther out more. Kind of like Major League Baseball does it too. But you play everyone though as well. But you play your teams in your division the most, and then your teams in your league after that. Before you play teams in your other league. But it's not always based on travel. The leagues aren't in Major League as much. So. But not we have New Hampshire 15 Airport, Harrisburg 9-2 Akron, Somerset 7-5 Birmingham, Chesapeake 4-1 Rotary, Nexus 7-4 in Tanks, Addison 2-1 over Corpus Christi, Richmond 2-1 Richmond 2-1 over Altoona, Richmond. So it was only one loss this season. Altoona was 1-9. And Bond scored 4-2 win over Roxy. It's also 7-2 for Springfield. Wichita defeat which Arkansas 5-3 in 11 innings. Chenwood beat Birmingham 2-4. Amarillo 6-3 over Arkansas. Reading 6-3 over Harvard. Columbus 13-2 over Montgomery in Tanks. And Midland 5-1 over Bristol. On Mondays they don't have games because that's the travel day for the teams. Usually in minor league what they do is if you're playing on the road, you travel home. And if you're at home, you travel to your road opponent. That Mondays is Sunday nights is the day for like the home is the day for like the away team to travel home, and then Monday is usually used as day for the Mondays is used for the home. The team was at home, travel away for the next series, or a week for 6 days. And we have Jersey Shore 7-0 over Brooklyn. Lake County 7-4 Aberdeen. And this is high. 5-3 Lansing. Greensboro 4-2 over Litchfield. Swansea 9-4 over Frederick. Maris Michigan 4-3 over the Riggs. Munson 5-2 Hudson Valley. Spillway dominates Cedar Rapids 15-5. Rome 10-3 over Bowling Green. South Bend 5-4 over Peoria. Vancouver 8-5 over Eugene. Hillsborough 5-2 over Spokane. Hub C 6-5 over Greenville. Jesse 5-2 over. And Wisconsin beat Quincy 5-3 in game 1 doubleheader. Wisconsin gets falls down 2-0 in the second with Quincy's turns, and then 3 in the third, 1 in the fourth, 1 in the fifth for Wisconsin, and 1 in the seventh for Quincy to win 5-3 for Wisconsin. And Quincy's won the second game of the year 7-6. It was make up of Saturday's game. And then 1 in the first, second by both. 3 for Wisconsin, the third, 2 for Quincy's. Then 1 in the fourth, 1 in the fifth for Wisconsin, 2 in the fifth, and 2 in the seventh for Quincy's to win 7-6. In single A baseball, Daytona shuts out Lakeland 14-0. Clearwater with a 1-0 shut win over Tampa. Palm Beach shut out Bradenton 6-0. Dunedin 13-6 for St. Lucie. Commerce 9-3 Jupiter. Canap Hickory 7-1 over Canapos. And this is Stanley. Chelsea 5-2 for Fredericksburg. CM dominates Moose 16-3. Augusta 8-6 for Denver. Fresno 11-1 over Stockton. And Chukuka Falls Lake Elsinore 14-6. Columbia 8-3 over Myrtle Beach. Fayetteville 10-6 over Charleston. San Jose 3-2 over Visitor. In game 1 of the header, Visitor scored 1 in the fifth and sixth. This year, San Jose scored 3 in the third, fourth. And then last makeup of April, the second game of the bear. From Saturday's game, San Jose scored 1 in the first, second, and then Visitor scored 2 in the third, 1 in the third for San Jose, and 2 in the fifth for San Jose to win 4-2. And then Inland, Ontario and Inland pair, they decided to make up the game that was rained out on May 20th. Which one is May 20th? May I ask, it's a Wednesday doubleheader. They're going to have game 1 in Ontario, California. Ontario, California. That's at Eastern. Game 2 is going to be at 10:30, 11 Eastern, which is 5 Pacific. And game 2 is going to be around 7:30 to 8 Pacific time.